Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo, fight sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, fight sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Leo, what's going on? What are the messages for Leo? I think you decided to cut off this person from your life. Justice, but for someone is coming back for second chances. But there are some trust issues between you and your person. Seven of Swords energy. I think this person is maybe sneaky for you. Yeah, maybe they backstabbed on you, maybe cheated on you, for some third party situation also involved. Definitely there are some trust issues between both of you guys. Maybe they played games with you in past. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 8 of Cups, Hermit and 2 of Pentacles. You are juggling in recent past. You have to make some decision but you are unable to make because you confused. You are in some confusion and you undergoing some spiritual awakening process in recent past, and the person involved in this connection could be Virgo especially. And 8 of Cups. Maybe you decided to walk away from this connection and you undergoing some spiritual process because you want to heal from that pain, because you love this person but you walked away. Then present 2 of Cups, the Tower and King of Pentacles. Yes, this is mutual love. You both love each other, but there is something happened between both of you, the Tower moment. Then you started focusing on your career, focusing on your money abundance. I think there is no stability in this connection. Maybe this is on and off connection. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection, Leo. But love is there. I think you also love this person. Still you also have feelings. Still you also thinking about them. Then future King of Cups, the Emperor and Nine of Wands. Someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you, King of Cups. It could be a new person for some. It could be a past person for some. It depends on your situation. And the Emperor, but you stand by your power. You are taking your control back totally and you are guarded up right now. Yes, you're still thinking about them, but you are guarded up. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy. Then Aries, Leo, Sagittarius or Virgo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. 3 of Wands under the deck. I think there is waiting game going between you and your person for some. For some you both live in different cities, countries or states. Long distance relationship you are in. So let's see your person feelings, Leo. Temperance, Queen of Cups, Ten of Pentacles and High Priestess with 2 of Wands. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. They are listening to their higher self, trusting their intuition. I think this time they are taking their time. They're patiently waiting for the right time. And Queen of Cups, definitely this person has strong emotions towards you. And 10 of Pentacles, I think they want to offer stability to this connection. In past, there is no stability in this connection. But now your person patiently waiting for the right time to approach you and to offer stability. And the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. So let's see their intentions. Leo. For some, you have kids. There is communication is coming and they're going to be make action very soon. And the magician, for some, definitely for some, this person may be sneaky for you, playing games with you. For some, you person manifesting you. Definitely Queen of Wands, the Empress, and Eight of Wands. One person is mother in this connection, having kids. So Queen of Wands, definitely they are going to be make action very soon. And Eight of Wands, communication. Lots of communication is coming. They want to communicate with you. Yes, and the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Again, Seven of Swords. I think definitely there is something sneaky in this connection. Maybe trust issues. Maybe your person scared for rejection. But there is communication is coming for sure, because Page of Pentacles with Knight of Swords, they are in rush to communicate with you. Yes, they want to express their true feelings to you. But I think they're scared for rejection also, because Seven of Swords came twice in this reading. I think they break your trust. Yeah, for some commitment issues between you and your person. And you stand by your power, you are taking your control back totally, Leo. So then it's up to you, totally in your hands. So they will come, they will make action very soon, but totally decision is in your hands. You are the decision maker, and Wheel of Fortune is here under the deck. So things are turning out into your favor. Ten of Pentacles, stability. Yes, for some, definitely in near future in this relationship, stability is coming. And Seven of Cups, maybe you both are fantasizing about each other a lot. Maybe you both are maybe you both have options also for some, but there is stability is coming. They are going to be make action very soon, and communication is coming. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Leo. I have too much going on my life. Separation. I want you back. I fantasize about you. Toxic person. Yeah, for some, this person may be toxic for you, because Seven of Swords came twice, and I have regrets. So the messages are, I have too much going on my life. So they have too much going on their life right now. Toxic person. For some, you both are in separation, and I fantasize about you. They are dreaming about you a lot, and I want you back. Definitely a person wanting you back. So let's see some more messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Leo. Surrender to the divine, full moon. One more. Don't let pride get in your way, full moon in Leo. See. So if you are not getting answers for your questions, maybe you are feeling frustrated, you are thinking about that situation or that problem a lot. So this is the time. Surrender that problems to the divine, and don't let pride get in your way. So don't show your attitude or pride when someone reaches to you. In any situation, never ever show any attitude to anyone. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.